This is how I organize my proof of relationship in K1 Visa. And if you are interested how I organize this folder, then just keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinay in Arizona. Yes, I am here now in Arizona. My channel was for Pinay Vlogs. So I came here in the United States through K1 visa process. And now I have my green card already. So I applied also for adjustment of status. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you about my proof of relationship. So I'm going to share to you how I organize this folder as proof of relationship. One of the requirements to provide in the US Embassy or for K1 visa. So I can't tell na hindi to hahanapin. Not all the time or most of the time hindi siya hinahanap ng consul sa US Embassy. But you have to be prepared sa kung ano man yung expect nila na hanapin sa iyo. So for like me, hindi ako hinanapan, so I was never asked for proof of relationship, and but I decided to make this folder for so that if they ever ask me about it, I am ready. So in this folder, I'm gonna show you the content of, or the inside of this folder. So I'm gonna show you the content of it kasi the more na you were online relationship with your fiance, the more content you have. So before we met, we were talking online for like more than 2 years. So we have so much of chat logs, video logs, or video calls, emails, like whatsoever. I'm going to share to you the content of this folder later. So as I've said, the more time you are with your fiance as online relationship, hindi pa kayo nakita, you never see each other yet, so the more content you have to put in your folder. So as my experience in the US Embassy, I was never asked for the proof of relationship, but you have to be ready in case they will ask you about it. But during my CFO or guidance counseling, the CFO asked me about the proof of relationship. So I present this one. I also bring this and present this to them. They asked me about the photos, about the chat logs, about everything. So you have to be ready. So if you're still interested, just keep on watching about the content of my folder. Thank you so much. So this is the folder, and I covered the important names in it or important details kasi it's for our privacy or for my husband's privacy. So this is the folder. I just choose to buy this kind of folder because in the first place it's cheaper, and also it's really easy to remove the content or the inside of this folder. You can just easily detach it, and also as you can see there are labels here. So I decided to put a label so that it's easier for me to find the pages if the consul want to ask, for example, a FaceTime or call logs or whichever photos together. So I can easily remove it, and hindi ka na mahihirapan. So hindi ka na matataranta. And also, it will save your time because easy mo lang siyang mahanap. And hindi mag-aantay yung consul. Nakakaya naman siguro sa consul if you make them wait, right? So, also, this is the content. And this, I put a title, Evidence of Relationship. You can put proof of relationship. It's up to you. So, para hindi siya mawala, for example, nasa isa kayong area tapos walang names, tapos naiwan nyo. So, nilagyan ko siya ng names so that it's easier for you to locate or para mahanap ka nila. if ever na mawala. So, nilagyan ko ng aming names and then the date when we started chatting and the date until the day we met, our first meeting. So, this is our picture. We just used this picture. It's up to you if you print it in a photo paper or just a regular paper. Nasa inyo na. So, this is the inside of the folder. As you can see, proof of relationship, my name and my husband's name or my fiance's name, and then the date. Also, this is the content. So there is photos together with family, airline ticket, emails, receipt and gifts, FaceTime, call logs, chat logs, Facebook post, and remittance. And also, after niya na mag-meet kami is bumalik siya ng US and another ongoing relationship. So, I put the same what is above written. So, the same content, the same context. So, if you left this one, so photos together. So, this I have here, photos together. You can just see, I put a name of us, my name and my husband or fiance's name. I put a label or a title so that it's easier for me to look for the pages. So, hindi ako mawala. So, these are photo na nag-meet kami. So, this first meeting namin, walang involved na aking family. Only my brother kasi nasa Manila ako. And my parents is in the province. So, date. The important of the content here is the date and time or when or where did it happen. Kailangan mo yung ilagay para pag magtanong sa iyong console, meron kang masabi. Hindi mo makalimutan. So, another photos together. Photos with my brother and his family. Yeah, that's it. So, and the next page is the airline ticket. So, ito yung ticket na pumunta siya ng Philippines. So, that's the proof that my fiancé or my husband went to the Philippines to see me. And also another page here. I just put it in one. As you can see, there is a pin here to bind them together and just put it in one page. Para if hanapin ng console, is madali nyo lang i-remove. So, this is our emails. I also include our emails, our gifts, na mga binili niya sa akin, and what do you call this one? PCR test siya nung nandito siya nandun siya sa Pilipinas. Nung pumunta siya ng Philippines. Kasi COVID time yun. And then, our FaceTime video call. So, ito lang yung mga pictures together. And also call logs. So, buti na lang is na mahilig ako mag-screenshots. So, meron akong nakuha. So, every month, meron akong 4 pages or 4 screenshots ng aming mga pinag-uusapan. And then also our chat logs in Skype. So, this is where we started. We were talking December 22, 2019. So, we have a label here so that hindi kayo mawala. So, nag-meet kami sa DIA or Date in Asia. And then, chats and Messenger. So, we talked so much in Messenger. And then, I only bind it together in one page. So, dami naming chat sa Messenger. Siguro isang taon. Sa tagal-tagal namin nag-usap. We are talking for like 2 years. More than 2 years before we met. So, marami kaming napag-usapan. So, nasa inyo na kung ilan ang pages na gusto nyo ilagay. But I did this for, souvenir and memories. So, our chat logs sa iMessage, and then Facebook post for public. Baka i-search ng console yung Facebook nyo. So, we have something to provide. And also remittance. So, before we met, nagbibigay yan sa akin si AFAM, si husband, as gifts, especially special occasions like birthdays and whatever. At gusto niya, but I never asked him. But he wanted to give me, so I was thankful. And that's our proof of ongoing relationship. So I put a label here too, too easy for me to find. And then the rest is, yeah, the same as the previous page. This is this time or second time na nagpunta si AFAM sa Philippines after 1 year of our first meeting. So he meet my family, my parents and friend, my grandmother. The same content lang, FaceTime, video call, airline ticket to Manila. So it's easier for you to flip, right? And then the remittance, and this is the prenatal support. Why? Because the last time my husband or my fiance visit me, he left me something like he will never forget from that day until forever. So nabuntis niya ako and nagbibigay siya na akin ng pang prenatal ko. So I was in the Philippines for 6 months. Hanggang 6 months bago ako nakapunta dito sa US. So nagbibigay siya ng mga support. Very responsible daddy. So that's it. This is the content of my proof of relationship or evidence of a relationship. So just that easy, simple, and hindi na siya broad like they are doing. Nakakalito, nakakagulo. So when I was in the US Embassy, may nakita akong naka-file lang sa kamay niya, like she was just doing like that, and then ang iban lag na. So nataranta siya, pinagpawisan siya. So para hindi kayo mataranta, be prepared at i-gather nyo ng simple lang, and then lagyan nyo ng label so that hindi kayo mawala. So that was the evidence of my relationship all about. So if you like this video, please comment down below kung ano man yung experience niyo during your K1 visa process o sa mga nag-a-apply pa ng K1 visa process. If you need more questions, just comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.